Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create polls on Slack to gather quick feedback and make team decisions instantly using the 2026 workflow. Step 1. Draft your poll message with a clear legend. The key to a successful manual poll is providing a clear visual map so your team knows exactly how to vote without any confusion. Start by typing your main question, then use Shift-Enter to create new lines for each option. For every choice, assign a specific, easy-to-find emoji. Your message should look like a menu. For example, lunch today? Ramen? Curry? In the 2026 Slack interface, you can even use bold text for the question to make it stand out. Using a numbered list combined with the emoji ensures that even if someone is on a small mobile screen, they can quickly see that option 1 corresponds to the ramen emoji. This acts as the ballot that everyone will refer to. Use Shift-Enter to create new lines within the same message so the poll stays grouped together in one clean block. Step 2. Send the message. Once your list is ready, send it to the channel so your teammates can see the choices. Hit Enter to post the message. In the 2026 Slack interface, your message will appear immediately. This acts as the ballot for your team. By including the emojis in the text, you're giving everyone a clear legend of what each reaction represents. Step 3. Pre-fill the reactions. To make it as easy as possible for people to vote, you should add the first set of reactions yourself. Hover over your sent message, click the Add Reaction icon, and select the ramen and curry emojis. By adding these first, you create buttons at the bottom of the message. Now, your teammates don't have to search for the emojis themselves. They can simply click the existing reaction to add their vote. The numbers next to the emojis will count up in real time as people weigh in. And that's pretty much it. To create a manual poll in 2026, send a message listing your options with numbered emojis, then immediately add those same emojis as reactions to the post. This turns your message into a clickable voting booth where teammates can cast their vote with a single tap. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.